How to use EBT card for gas. Make sure you have an EBT cash card, which is associated with the Temporary Assistance for Needy Families (TNF) program. EBT cards from the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program (SNAP) won't work for gas purchases. Look for gas stations in your area that accept EBT cards. Many major chains, such as 7-Eleven, Circle K, Cumberland Farms, Flying J, and ExxonMobil, are known to accept EBT. Drive to the gas station that accepts EBT cards and park near the fuel pumps. Insert your EBT cash card into the card reader at the gas pump. Follow the on-screen prompts, which will likely ask you to enter your personal identification number, PIN. Choose the type of fuel you want to purchase and the amount you wish to pump. Some gas stations may have limits on the amount you can spend in a single transaction. Once you've made your selections, confirm the transaction, and the pump will dispense the fuel. It's a good practice to keep your receipts for record-keeping purposes. That's how you can use EBT card for gas.